This video will help you identify metamorphic rock using the scheme for metamorphic rock identification on page 7 of your reference table. Again, just like igneous and sedimentary rock, we're going to start with determining the texture of your rock. And for metamorphic, there are two options, foliated or non-foliated. We'll start with foliated for today. Depending upon the grade of metamorphism, you will see a different amount of foliation. So if you follow your reference table arrow down here, you're going to start with slate, the lowest grade, and increase your grade of metamorphism, or I'm sorry, well, yes, your foliation, with your gneiss, okay, which is the highest grade. So slate is going to have foliation, okay, which is this layering on the side due to the intense pressure through metamorphism. But it is the metamorphism of shale. So if you remember shale from our sedimentary video, looks a little similar. Doesn't have a shiny surface or visible microcrystals, and it definitely doesn't have banding, okay, which this gneiss would. So we know that this is slate. When slate goes under more intense metamorphism, it's going to turn into phyllite. You can see phyllite here again is foliated. You can see that layering on the side. This has more of a shiny surface than our slate did. You can tell the difference there. This is dull. So you can see there, surface is shiny. So this is our phyllite. Then we'll take it a step further. Higher grade is schist. Again, you can see the layering on the side here, but now you can see this visible microcrystal on the top. Sometimes you can even see like a chunk on there. Okay, so this is our schist. And then the highest grade is gneiss, and you can see these black bands that go across this rock show the foliation, and that indicates the highest grade that you can have. Okay, so when you look for foliated rock, you are looking for that layered look on the side due to that heat and pressure. Our non-foliateds are a little bit harder to identify, so we obviously won't see layering on the side. So the best way to identify them after we determine non-foliated is in this comment section, and we're going to try and look to see what its parent material was. And parent material is what that rock was before it turned into the rock it currently is. Okay, so we'll start first with coal. Okay, again, it's easy to identify. Definitely non-foliated, you don't see that layering on the side. But you can see what was anthracite coal before it was itself. It was bituminous coal, which you remember is up here in our sedimentary rock. Next one is hornfels. Hornfels forms from contact metamorphism, which is making contact with heat, which would be an igneous intrusion inside the earth. Hornfels can form from various rocks. Okay, so when shale goes under contact metamorphism, it can form hornfels. But when it goes under regional, it's going to form slate. Quartzite is forming from sandstone. Marble forms from limestone or dolostone. And we can see here this is non-foliated, and this is our marble here. And then metaconglomerate on the bottom has pebbles in it that have been distorted. You can see these pebbles inside of this metaconglomerate, no layering on the side, so it's non-foliated. So the best way to identify our non-foliateds is by our parent material.